Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open SSMS 21 and verify the target SQL Server instance is online. This matters because SSMS can't connect to a stopped service. Then enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager so remote connections work. Once done, open the Connect dialog in SSMS and enter the server name and instance exactly. Make sure you pick Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication and enter your credential. Next, dig into the middle steps that often block connections. Configure the server's TCP/IP port, default 1433, and open that port in the firewall on both server and client. This allows traffic through. Then, in SSMS use server \instance or server, port notation if you're not using the default instance. Once configured, test with SQLCMD or a simple ping to validate network reachability. Because if the network path is blocked, SSMS will time out even with correct credentials. Finally, complete the setup and know one key troubleshooting tip. Save the connection as a registered server for quick access and increase the connection timeout in SSMS if you experience slow responses. If authentication fails, check whether the server uses Windows versus mixed mode. Enable mixed mode and create a login when needed, then restart the SQL Server service to apply changes. If things still fail, inspect SQL Server logs and Windows Event Viewer to find specific error codes and address them accordingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.